Hello, good afternoon from here. It's afternoon. Coffee in the afternoon. Sa malamig na panahon. Tag-ulan. Kaya masarap mag-sip ng konting coffee. Coffee with Coffee Mate. Dito ako ngayon sa kainan. At dito sa aming kainan ay sigurado kapag andito ka ay Paskong Pasko. Why? Because katabi ko ang aking Christmas tree. There you are. My Christmas tree. Paskong Pasko na dito sa aming bahay. I was been a kid also, and my mother is devoted talaga being a Christian, bilang a Catholic. So pinalaki kami na ganito, Pasko, may Christmas tree, and then I inherited. Then nung nagkapamilya ako, nagkaanak ako, my children enjoy every year, every December, we participate the Christmas holidays. So it's not only para sa akin, it's not only the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, no. It's all about family. It's about our children, no. Siyempre, pag masaya ang iyong mga anak, magiging masaya ka rin. So a family is the center of everything. So kaya para sa akin, it's not only a birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, as I said before. It's about a family. It's about the love of our family. And sana, hindi lang sa akin, sa ating lahat, ay hindi lang Pasko once a year, kundi Pasko araw-araw sa loob ng ating mga tahanan. Dahil ang Pasko, it means nothing kung you have a magulong pamilya, di ba? Let there be a beautiful family, di ba? Palaki natin sila ng mabuti, maayos, at galing sa ating pawis ang kinakain natin. Okay, peace.